What's going on, everybody? Captain the Man, MG Cams. We're back with another episode. Today, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be extracting this seat right here. We have the proper tool, okay? We're going to get the seat out. We're going to get every single inch of cloth out of the car. We're going to clean it up a little bit. As you can see, there's absolutely no wiring. I got together with one of my colleagues, and we got everything out. So there's absolutely no wiring. Everything is gone. Even on the interior, come follow me over here. There is absolutely nothing in there. We took everything out. It is just the steering wheel and pedals that don't function for crap. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a step forward because not only is it weight loss, but once you get rid of the old, you got to put something new in it. So, stick around. We're going to be getting some work done. Let's get it, MG Cams. All right, so this seat has a very specific tool or socket or whatever. And I did not have that tool. So now we do have it because I went and bought it. So now we're able to get it out and we'll have more space to just get all this gunk out. You know what I'm saying? So definitely a big move. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Captain the Man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, pardon the predicament, but this is a 30-year-old car that is held together by rust. We're getting the last bolt out here to... What are you doing? We're building a race car. Last bolt here, getting it out, and then this chair just come flying out. Just get this seat out, boys and girls. Seat is out, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of doo-doo in there. Let's get it out. This is not only Operation Clean the Car Up. We're gonna paint this dash bar here. And we've already kind of begun. But it'll just bring out some character in the car. So we're gonna start with that. Did 1 or 2 coats, I believe. Just gonna wait for it to dry. We're gonna move it, get a couple more coats on there, then we're gonna throw it back, give the car a little bit more character, you know, a little bit of motivation. While that's drying, we're going to take parts of the inside of the door off so that the door is way less. So let's get in there. Operation Make the Door Lighter. Success. Got this nice and painted. I'm gonna have to flip it around and, you know, do the rest. Got the window out of the one door, and we're working on the handle so that we can open the door because yeah, that's important. All right, so we were able to disassemble everything in the door, get the window out, and my colleague was able to take apart everything, put it back so that we can open and shut the door. Now, while he disassembles the other side, this is all gonna be painted. Let's begin. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna look good. This is gonna look very good, okay? Oh, you gotta get the car running. Don't tell me what to do with my build. I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I wanted to do that, so I did it. Shut up. MG Cams. All right, guys, Operation Get This Door Lighter has been accomplished. And if you guys take a look right over there, we got a nicely painted panel over there. Car's coming together slowly. So let's just take it one step at a time. After we get this door panel painted, we're gonna install that little piece right there that holds the whole, well, it's supposed to hold all the dash pieces up, but I don't have a dash anymore because I'm as light as a feather, you know? What can I say? So we're gonna get that done and then we're gonna get back with you guys. And now we are going to hit it on this door. So it can look like that one. Man, that looks really good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get in this. And then unfortunately that's not dry, so I don't think we're gonna be able to put that back in. But you know what? That's fine. Probably put it in tomorrow. But let's get this door done, and then that'll be a wrap. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Cafe and the Man. It is the second week in the paint job. So today we got some tape, we got some more spray cans, and we're gonna do a black and red. Okay, so black and red, we're gonna get started on that today. So I got it masked off as best as possible, and then now we're just gonna full send. I'm gonna start the painting process, so let's get to work. So we've made some very good progress. We got a lot of the stuff painted. Looks very good to me. I think it looks very good. Got to get all the way up here, but we're just focusing on this end right now. So definitely making some progress. We're gonna get back at it. You're not supposed to be breathing this in. I'm asthmatic, so it's very tough. I'm struggling here. But my colleague is doing a fantastic job. As you can see, we got a lot of the stuff that, wow, I didn't even see that. That looks freaking ridiculous. Okay, so, love to sit here and chat, but we got some work to do, so stick around. Gentlemen, so now, we've got pretty much the whole interior done. It looks absolutely fantastic, I would say. So now we're going over the floor with Flex Seal. But we're not only using it for its actual purpose, which is to seal cracks, but it's a good compound, so like we're just using it as paint too. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have run out. But use it for its purpose. Now we're going to go over it with the rest of the spray paint that we have.